Good morning, dear students. Let's start tangents and normals. Students, here I am sharing you some important key points related to the topic. First is the if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. You can see this on the roads. If two roads are parallel to each other, then their slopes must be same. Okay? And second one is the if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is -1. Students, suppose if two lines are perpendicular and slope of first line, suppose it is 2 and slope of next second line is -1/2. If we do the product of these two numbers, we get result -1. So students, in this way we can see that if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is -1. And here we have the third point. Third point is if a line is parallel to the x-axis. So students, you can see here that if this is x-axis and y-axis and we draw a line that is parallel to the x-axis, then its slope is 0. So students, हम ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं if a line is parallel to x-axis, and alternatively we can also say that this line is perpendicular to the y-axis. So students, in this way both gives the same result. So here we have fourth one. If a line is parallel to the y-axis, students, suppose if we draw a line that is parallel to the y-axis, हम ये भी कह सकते हैं alternatively we can also say that this line is perpendicular to the x-axis, then its slope is not defined. So students, you can see here next one. If a line is perpendicular to the x-axis, then its slope is not defined. Students, these are really very important points and you have to remember all these points and we will use in questions. Now, here we have exercise 6.3 question number 7. Find the points at which the tangent to the curve is parallel to the x-axis. Students, हमें ऐसे points find करने हैं at which the tangent to the curve. Suppose here we have a curve. Tangent to the curve is parallel to the x-axis. So students, you can see here that we need to find these points. So first, according to working rule, we have to do derivative to get the slope, and after that we put the point, but here is no point is not given, we have to find the point. So students, let's start. Equation of curve is y is equals to x cube minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 7. So differentiate this, we get 3x squared. You can see here derivative of minus 3x squared is minus 6x, minus 9x derivative is minus 9, and 7 is constant, so it is 0. So students, in this way we get derivative dy over dx is 3x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now students, we need to find the points, and it is also given that tangent is parallel to the x-axis. And students, we have just read the remarks related to the topic. So students, use that remarks in this question. When a line is parallel to x-axis, then its slope is 0. So students, in this way we will write dy over dx 3x plus 1 x minus 3 is equals to 0. So students, we get x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 3 from this equation. So these are the points, but these are the abscissa only. We have to find the ordinate as well. Students, remember one thing, if a tangent touches the curve at a point and this point lies on the line that is on the tangent or on the curve. Students, अगर कोई भी line, that means अगर कोई भी line touch करती है curve को, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? टेंजेंट कहते हैं. और जो पॉइंट जिस पॉइंट पर कांटेक्ट होता है, वो जो कांटेक्ट पॉइंट है वो लाइन पर भी लाई करता है और वो कर्व पर भी लाई करता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे we need to find the point. So here x is equals to minus 1 also lies on the curve. So in the given statement we have given curve. So students, put x is equals to minus 1 in the given curve. In this way we get minus 1 cube minus 3 minus 1 squared minus 9 into minus 1. By calculating this we get 12. Similarly, we put x is equals to 3 in the given curve, we get 3 cube minus 3 into 3 squared minus 9 into 3 plus 7. In this way we get minus 20. So students, in this way we get the points. Points are minus 1, 12 and next point is 3 minus 20. So students, hence the tangent to the curve is parallel to the x-axis at these 2 points. Now, here we have question number 8. Find a point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points. Students, अब हमें यहाँ क्या given है? Suppose here we have a curve. और हमें यहाँ point find करना है at which the tangent is parallel. Suppose here is a tangent and tangent is parallel to the chord joining these 2 points. So first point is this one 2 0 and 4 4 is this point. So students, आप देख सकते हैं ये दो lines कैसी होगी, parallel होगी. That means slope of tangent is equals to slope of this line. But students, in the 11th class you have studied how to find the slope. If 2 points are given, then we use the slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So students, let's start with the same rule. Given curve is y is equals to x minus 2 whole squared and let AB be the chord joining the point 2 0 and 4 4. So students, in this way, first we need to find the slope. For that, do the derivative. We get 2 x minus 2 and derivative of x minus 2 is 1. So students, in this way we have slope of tangent 2 into x minus 2. But here it is given that tangent is parallel to the chord joining these 2 points. So students, हम क्या करेंगे अब हम 2 points से join जो chord है हम उसका slope find करेंगे. Okay, now here slope of AB is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this way we get slope of AB is 2. Now these 2 lines are parallel, chord is parallel to the tangent. So in this way we put the slopes equate. We equate these 2 slopes. Now students, here slope of CD is equals to slope of AB. So by solving this one, 2 to 2 will cancel out and we get x is equals to 3. Now this is the point, x is equals to 3, but this is only abscissa. We need to find ordinate as well. And अभी मैंने जैसे बताया था in the previous question that if tangent meets a curve at a one point and that is the contact point. So students, वो जो contact point है that lies on the line as well as lies on the curve. So students, we put x is equals to 3 in the curve. In this way we get 3 minus 2 whole squared. 1 square of 1 is again 1. So in this way we get the point 3 1. Now students, here we have question number 11. This is important. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 which are tangents to the curve y is equals to 1 over x minus 3. Students, हमें उन सभी lines की equation निकालनी है जिनका slope 2 है and which are tangent to the curve y is equals to 1 over x minus 3 provided that x is not equal to 3, because if we put x is 3 in this equation then it gives a not defined. So students, we can also say that this is the singularity of the given curve. Now the equation of given curve is y is equals to 1 over x minus 3. We know that slope of tangent is dy over dx. So students, derivative of this one is, you can say that derivative of 1 over x is minus 1 over x squared. So students, by using the same formula minus 1 over squared of x minus 3, आप यहाँ डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज हम इसका डेरिवेटिव काफ़ी बार कर चुके हैं. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 over x is minus 1 over x squared. So students, we use this result directly to get this one, and derivative of x minus 3 is 1. So given that slope is 2, so dy over dx is equals to 2 minus 1 over x minus 3 whole squared is equals to 2. By doing the cross multiply and we get the result as x minus 3 whole squared is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now students, you can see here that x minus 3 whole squared, and we know that square quantity must be positive, but this is equals to minus 1 by 2. But that doesn't hold left hand side equal to right hand side, because left hand side gives all the values that are positive and in the right hand side all the values are negative. minus 1 by 2 indicates that. So in this way, this result not possible. So thus, no tangent to the curve has log 2. So students, hopefully आज के concepts आपको clear होंगे. So thank you for watching the complete video. If you like my video, then share and subscribe.